Let's get still now. I invite you to sit upright as is comfortable for your body. Let's take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath. And as you exhale, just let your body relax. Let your body relax. And we send the message to every muscle, relax and let go. Relax and let go. Becoming aware of your feet. Let your feet relax. Relax. Becoming aware of your calves. Sending the message, relax. Relax. Relaxing your knees, your thighs. Relaxing your hips, the pelvic area, the buttocks. Relax and let go. Allow your abdomen and stomach to relax. Relaxing the muscles in your chest, your shoulders, your biceps, your forearms, your hands and fingers. Relax and let go. Becoming aware of the muscles in your neck, relaxing the front and back and sides of your neck. Moving awareness into your jaw, relaxing the muscles in your jaw, your cheeks, your eyes, your nose, your ears, your lips, your tongue, your forehead, your scalp. Let your body relax. Scanning your body now and looking to see, is there still any place that needs to let go? You might want to gently tense and release. Just acknowledge for a moment your physical body. And in a moment of appreciation, appreciate the physical body that you have, that you've been given. This body is a wonder, it's a miracle, really. All the things that this body does. A person may look in the mirror and go, well, I'm not too wild about how my body may look. Well, there's always areas in our body that maybe we'd like to be different, but generally speaking, this body is amazing. Everyone's body is amazing. So for a moment, just love and appreciate. You have this body as a spiritual being that you're not your body, you live in your body. And you have this wonder of a body to live your life, to experience the world, to experience people and nature, and you have these senses, the 5 senses, to see and hear and smell and taste and touch. It's really an incredible vehicle that we have. So for a moment, just know within yourself, I love and appreciate my body. I love and appreciate this body. a wonderful exercise in meditation is to just remember different parts of your body and to express, I love and appreciate that part of my body for the function that it fulfills. For example, your heart. I love and appreciate my heart for its activity, its work in me. It sends oxygen and blood throughout my whole body. And it works day and night. And what an amazing vehicle it is. I don't even have to think about it. It just keeps on going. I love and appreciate my lungs. They help me to breathe. I love and appreciate my brain. That helps me to think. Controls so many functions in my body. It's doing so much all the time. Just take a moment now and just acknowledge some organs in your body with love and appreciation. We got the bones and the skin, the largest organ in the body, the skin. The nerves, the veins, I love and appreciate this body. And when you really have that sense of appreciation for your body, I think, at least for me, wow, if my body is so amazing, how about the person living in the body? How amazing am I that I live in this body? And that I of me is a spiritual being. I am consciousness. And if I have such an amazing body, well, I must be amazing. Even more amazing. For I am an expression of spirit. I am God, I am Source, individualizing itself as me, living itself as me, like the ocean living itself as a wave. I am a wave of consciousness in the ocean of spirit. And I'm on a journey of discovery, discovering who I am as a spiritual being. Jesus the Christ was a way shower, an elder brother who discovered the truth about himself as a spiritual being. He discovered that I am a wave in the ocean of spirit. He expressed it when he said, I and the Father are one. You could know the same thing within yourself. You could use a different name for spirit. I and the Spirit are one. I and the Source are one. I and love are one. I and the infinite are one. Or simply, I am. So I invite you to go into the quiet now, into the stillness, remembering your true nature, spiritual being, perhaps holding the idea I am, or I and the Father or the Spirit are one. And then listen, rest in the stillness, in the quiet now. As I wait and rest in the stillness, I am open and receptive to all that I am, all that God is. In the stillness, peace has come. In the stillness, joy has come. In the stillness, wisdom has come. And from this place, we remember our friends and family, and we acknowledge the presence and activity of Spirit in and through and as each one of them. And we include every person on the planet. We include the planet itself, the earth, the animals, all of life. And we give thanks for this time to be still together, appreciating this physical vehicle and appreciating our spiritual essence, the being that we are that lives in this body and in this world. And we bring our awareness now back to the chair or couch or wherever we might be, praying and meditating. And we begin to move toes and fingers, feeling the chair beneath us, the ground beneath us. And we allow this new state of consciousness to unfold through us now in this day.
Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.